Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. We're currently tracking windy weather along the Eastern Cape coastline for today, while this afternoon it will be partly cloudy and hot in KwaZulu-Natal, and for tomorrow there's an increased likelihood for thundershowers over many parts of the interior. Now, as expected, it became cloudy along parts of the western and south coasts overnight, and those areas will be cooler today. While it's been a partly cloudy morning over parts of the northern and eastern Cape, it was a clear start to the day for the Highveld, which was also quite cool. Some parts of Mpumalanga dropped below 10 degrees overnight. Cape Town also saw a clear start to the day, but as the morning progressed, cloud cover has drifted in over the city, and we are expecting that cloud cover to gradually start dissipating, although it's still going to be a windy day, especially later this afternoon and into the evening as well for some parts of the city. As mentioned, KwaZulu-Natal will be hot this afternoon under partly cloudy skies. Thundershowers will develop in the west from Namibia all the way through to the Eastern Cape, and by tonight we are likely to see some rainfall developing along the south coast as moist air starts to push in from further south of the country. A look ahead to tomorrow, and there'll still be a bit of light rain around for the coastal belt of the Eastern Cape, and in the afternoon thunderstorms will be developing across central South Africa, including in Gauteng, and we'll see scattered storms for some areas as well. A warmer day in the forecast down in the southwest, including for the Cape Peninsula. For today, there's just a small chance for thundershowers over western Limpopo, including Lephalale and Thabazimbi. Better chances extending in a narrow band from Namibia all the way through to the Eastern Cape, including some parts of the Northern Cape. Uppington and Ardua are both included within that area. Thunderstorms around the Drakensberg, perhaps even towards the Ladysmith region, and not forgetting about the rainfall that's expected along some parts of the coastline by later this evening. Winds this afternoon are still expected to be strong for Port Elizabeth and East London. Light winds in the forecast, on the other hand, across the northwest. Another hot day expected for most of South Africa. Uppington, 39 degrees is a high, 33 for Kimberley, De Aard, as well as towards the far eastern parts of South Africa. Some very warm weather expected in KwaZulu-Natal. Much cooler, on the other hand, in the far south. George at 22. Tomorrow morning will start off quite similar to the way today started. Cool over the Highveld, lower teens in that area. Similar conditions over the southern high ground, including over the mountainous areas. Another warm night for the east coast and even for Pietermaritzburg, which will drop down to 20. Wednesday afternoon, and we're still expecting thundershowers across the central parts of South Africa. Showers reaching the east coast, cooler for Durban at 27. And by Thursday, things cool down once again for the Western Cape, and we could see some drizzle for both Cape Town and George. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday.